Welcome to Auction version 4, the latest event management software tool from Auction Systems. In this tutorial in the Event Night series, I will show you the Event Night Invoices activity. Invoices can always be printed from the Documents task, but we have made it easy to get to the type of invoices you will need for checkout on Event Night by adding that action to the Event Night task. Well before your actual event, save your preferences for your Event Night invoices as a preset. To do this, please go to the Documents task on the main Home taskbar and choose Name and then Household Documents. Click the Invoices button and format the invoice how you would like it to appear on Event Night, and then save the format. On Event Night, when it's time to print the invoices, click the Event Night task button on the main Home taskbar. Then click the Invoices Action button. This is the Invoices screen. Since this is the Event Night task, Auction has filtered the list of potential invoices to the most likely ones you will need to print for checkout at the end of your auction event. Of the potential name types, only Bidders Participants has been selected. Bidders Participants are the people that potentially can purchase an item at the event. There is no need to select invitees, donors, or volunteers because anyone that was marked only as either of those three choices and then purchased an item at the event will have been automatically marked as a bidder participant when a winning bid was entered for them or a ticket purchase was entered. And 3 refinements to the list of all bidders and participants have been predefined. The first refinement is to show only the bidders participants who have purchased any type of item. If the bidder participant who purchased an item or several items also purchased tickets to attend the event and paid or not paid for their tickets in advance, the ticket purchases and any payments will be reflected along with the item purchases on the invoice. Any guests who did not purchase any items, even though they did purchase tickets, will not appear in the list of invoices to be printed. If you need to print invoices for guests who purchased items and guests who only purchased tickets, click the Ticket Purchases button. The next filter is for Checkout and includes all bidders participants with Quick Checkout and Standard Checkout. Notice both boxes are checked. Invoices for all bidders that pass through the first filter will be included in the second filter. Quick Checkout refers to credit card processing through one of our partners we work with that provide credit card processing that syncs with Auction. If you're using one of our partner vendors and allow your guests to pre-swipe their credit cards at check-in, those guests have what we call Quick Checkout. They do not have to go to the cashier at the end of the night because their credit card number is saved in the credit card system for later charge. Guests that do not pre-swipe will have Standard Checkout and will need to pay at the cashier at the end of the event. If you are using one of our partner vendors for credit card processing and have allowed guests to pre-swipe, uncheck the Standard Checkout button. This will allow you to print only invoices for those with Quick Checkout. Once those are printed, uncheck the Quick Checkout and check Standard Checkout to print the rest of the invoices for the people who must pay at the cashier. Lastly, if you've already printed some invoices, perhaps for a person that needed to leave early, the final refinement is for print status, which is whether an invoice is still needed. The name types chosen and the refinements result in a list of names on the right who need invoices. The list of names can be sorted by clicking the column heading. Alphabetical order by last name is the default order the invoices will be printed. But if you wish to sort the invoices in reverse alpha order, click the name header and they will sort in reverse. If you wish to sort by bid number order, lowest to highest, click that column heading once. Click twice and they will sort highest to lowest. You may also want to sort by table number, the dollar amount of the purchases, or by the dollar amount owed. Finally, let's look at the ribbon along the top. If you have highlighted one name or a couple of names in the list on the right and only wish to print the selected invoices or invoice, click Print Selected. If you selected the first name in the list and then click Print Next 10, that invoice and the next 9 will print. Clicking Next 10 again will print the next 10 in the list. We recommend printing 10 invoices at a time because it makes it easy to figure out where to start again if your printer was to jam. Preview Selected allows you to look at a print preview of the selected invoices before you actually print. Select Invoice Format allows you to choose the format for the invoices from a list of preset formats you have saved. Go to Winning Bid sends you back to the Winning Bid entry screen. Select Invoices is the list of other types of invoices that you may need at your event, such as invoices already printed, guests with no purchases, etc. Choosing one of these other invoices will change the refinements. And lastly, there is an SOS button if you need to contact technical support at Auction Systems. Remember, free event day pager support is only available for organizations on their event day and have technical support in force. If it's not your event day or support has lapsed, calling the pager number will result in a fee. The next tutorial in the Event Night series will be for checking in guests. Thank you for joining us.